Ready? All of you have written A to J.
Keshav finished, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Well done. Keep it as it is, okay? Everyone has written A to J. Everyone has written A to J. Very good. Now circle the letter E. Small letter E. Small letter E. Dashwan, take your slate and write A to J. Or else whatever letter I am telling you, try to write. Kavi Kartika, take your slate and chalk piece.
Okay.
Sara, take your slate and chalk piece. Try to write the capital letters, Sara. E. Those who have written A to J, circle the letter E. Those who have not written, write the small letter E. Sara, write capital letter E.
Okay, ma'am.
Rashwan, Mahilini, Kavi Kartika and all should write small letter E. Just lift your slate and show to me, children. I'll know. Fast, Mahilini. Why so late, Mahilini, today? Yeah, very good. E. Jason, circle E, ma Jason. Dharmeshwar, circle E. E, small letter E. Very good, Disha. Very good, Hazel. Good, Ananya. Sara, where is your capital letter E? Very good, Mahilini. Dashwan, good. Very good, Sara. Well done. Okay, next letter is B. B, small letter B. Sara, write capital letter B. Others, small letter B. Dashwan, write properly, Dashwan. No, wrong. How will you start B? First, a standing line and a front curve. Dashwan, standing line first.
Bounding.
Why do you extend like that, ma, Dashwan? You பாருங்க, Dashwan, write like this. First, a standing line. Standing line, front curve. That's it. Be very good, ma, Mailini. B, all of you show me. Let me see. You have circled the correct B. Very good, Visha. Vihan, what are you looking at? Show me a slate. B, Taruneshwar, good. Hazel, good. Jason, Keshav, Ananya, good. Very good. Okay, now the next letter is F. F. Sara, where is your capital B? Good. F, Sara. Now write F. Very good girl. F. Small letter F. Vihan, don't dig your nose, Vihan. Come on, write. F. Very good, Visha. Taruneshwar. You can circle, ma, Taruneshwar. You need not write separately. You have already written, no? ஏற்கனவே எழுதிட்டீங்க இல்லையா? அதையே அப்படியே circle பண்ணுங்க. That's it. Okay?
Okay,
F.
ma'am. F மட்டும் circle பண்ணு.
Kavi Kartika. F. Very good, ma, Dashwan. Good. Okay, next is G. Good morning, ma, Varsha. G. Take your slate and write small letter G, Varsha. Very good, ma, Sara. F. Very good. G. Sara, next is G. Other small letter G. Very good, Mahilini. Finish. Erasing, ah, good. G. Vihan. I didn't tell you to write till M, Vihan. Till J only you should write. Understood?
Say okay, ma'am. Hyperactive, ma'am.
Blinking. This boy always blinking, huh? Okay, ma'am. சொல்றது கூட மம்மி சொல்லி தரணும்.
Ma'am, சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
G finish. Very good. G children, it's not J. G. Very good, Keshav. G. Dashwan. Right properly, Dashwan. Very good, Sarah. Mahini, what you are writing? Capital G, yeah? Small G, is that G?
I don't know which G is it.
What letter is that?
என்னது என்ன எழுதுறீங்க?
G. Come on, write G.
விளையாடுறோம்
Here you are.
அங்க
Look
பாரு
here, Mahini. G.
இங்க பாரு பாத்தியா முதல்ல அத பாரு பார்த்துட்டு அப்புறம்
Like A itself you have to write and then bring down the line like J. G. Yeah, very good. Good girl, Mahini. போதும் அதுக்கு மேல creativity வேண்டாம். That's enough.
குட்
ஓகே
Fine. Very good. Next letter is H. Small H. Small H. Capital H for Sarah. Small H. J. Hazel.
She's scribbling, ma'am. She's scribbling.
Yeah, I saw her. That's what I'm calling her. Okay, leave her. Good morning, Mitra. Very good, Mahilini. Visha.
Good morning,
Good.
ma'am.
Very good. Good morning, ma. Next is J. J, children. J. J. Jelly and jam, Very good. Well done, Keshav. Very good, Ananya. Good, Visha. Taruneshwar. J, very good. I. Next is I. Inky the mouse is my pet. I. Very good, Sarah. I. Good improvement, Sarah. Very good. Sarah is writing on her own, right? Not guiding with dots.
Some letters she is asking for dots, some she is writing on her own.
What are those letters? Very good, Sarah. I. Good. Huh?
She is telling her face is not visible, it seems.
My face, huh?
No, her face. When she was
Your
showing
face,
her face.
huh?
Okay.
Achcho. Okay, very good, children. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Well done. Very good, Sarah also. Good. Well done. All of you know how to write A to J. Very good. Keep your slate down. Very good, Varsha. Keep your slate down. Let's start our session. Come on. Ananya, will you say Kids Anthem today? Ananya?
இங்க பாரு.
Ananya, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. All of you join your hands. Close your eyes for Kids Anthem. Kids Anthem.
சொல்லு. You are unique.
My purpose is fine.
are the wind.
You are the wind
Yeah, wind.
beneath my flight.
You take a side.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential side.
Today I pledge.
Today I bet all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I catch you.
My potential inside.
My potential side. Come on.
Very good. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. What ma'am will say aloud? Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Very good morning, children. Come on, ready for the warm-up activity?
What's going on?
Run, run. Run, 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 run.
Break it.
Run, 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 run. Run, run, run.
Break it.
Run, run, run. Run, run. Do you want baby shark? Yes? Shark rhymes? Yeah, 1 minute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma. Do the actions alone, okay? Hear the song and do the action, okay? Nod your head.
Baby shark, do 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 do,
Do the
baby
action.
shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark. safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, it's the end, it's the end, it's the end.
This time we'll do the action. You all should do the action, okay? Come on. Nod your head first.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark.
Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt.
Run away, run away, run away, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, it's the end, it's the end, it's the end.
Yes, happy to hear the shark rhymes. Baby shark, yes or no? No, yeah? Then from tomorrow, no shark rhymes. Happy. If you want to go drink water and come, drink water and come back, children. Very good, Dashwan. Very good, Hazel. Next. Jason. Very good, Jason. Next. Very good, Makeshav. Next. Radhyani. Absent today. Next. Rudwin. Rudwin. Absent. Next. Very good, Sarah. Next. Very good, Ananya. Next. Sukriv Gautam. Absent. Okay, next. Very good, Visha. Next. Very good, Kartika. Next.
சொல்லுமா சவுண்ட்
Very good. Next. Very good, Mitra. Next. Tarneshwar. Very good, Tarneshwar. Next. Very good, Varsha. Next. Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Next. Madhwanti. Very good, Madhwanti. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the alphabet cards. You are going to identify the sounds, children. Phonic sound. Okay? Phonic sound and action. Ready, all of you?
Okay.
Till J, I'll show you. Okay?
Action order பண்ணணும் sound order இவ
Only the sound and action. Okay, children. First letter. Sound and action. Ah. Okay, only a. No need of rhyme. Okay. Next. Very good. Very good. Next. Next. Very good. Clean cabinet. Good. Next. Everyone can answer next. Okay. Next. Eggs in the pan. In the pan. Okay. Next is not fur. Who said fur? No, not fur. Only the air should come out of your mouth. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. Got a hole, the air came out. Okay. Yes. Very good. Next. Okay. What is the sound? The mouse is my pet. Next. Next. Who is Jan? All the other letters we have learned before. But next is going to sing the rhymes, vegetable rhymes. Anyone learned vegetable rhymes? Who learned vegetable rhymes today? Anyone? Is there anyone who learned vegetable rhymes? No, what? Today I'll send you the audio, children. Learn it, okay? Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay? So this time I'll send you the audio. You have to learn it. Okay, children? Okay, yesterday we learned about types of plants. Yes or no? Do you all remember? Do you all remember the action which I taught you? Yes or no? Answer. Do you all remember the action which I taught you? Okay. Then trees. What is the action for trees? Let me check. What is the action for trees? Very good, Ananya. Trees. Okay. Trees. Okay. And then creepers. What is the action for creepers? Creepers action எப்படி பண்ணு? Very good, Dashwan. Ananya. Very good, Madhuvanti. Good. Creepers. Okay. Now next is climbers. What is the action for climbers? Climbers. Very good, Ananya, Jason, Tarunesh. Very good. Climbers. It will climb up like this. Climbers. Okay. And next is thorny plants. Thorny plants. Thorny plant. Thorny plant. கையில குத்துச்சுனா எப்படி இருக்கும்? Thorny plant. Okay. So this is thorny plant. Okay. And then shrubs. What is the action for shrubs? Shrubs. Shrubs is a chinna plant, but it will be woody and bushy. Okay. Shrubs. Okay. So very good, children. I want you to take worksheet number D31CT. D31CT. Yesterday itself I taught you like how we need air, food and all. Likewise, plants also needs air, water and sunlight. Okay, you can see in this. First, how a plant comes out. See here, first you have to sow a seed. Seed sow பண்றதுனா என்னது? First you have to ஒரு seed எடுத்து அது மண்ணுக்குள்ள புதைச்சு வைக்கணும். Okay, that is sowing a seed. And then you have to pour some water. Okay, and then after 2 days you can see a small sapling like this coming out. Can you see here? Look at the screen, all of you. You can look at the sheet afterwards. Let your parents take the worksheet. Look at the screen, all of you. First, sow the seed. Then after 2 days, you will get a small sapling coming out of the seed. See here with the root and all. First, inge irka edavadhu root edavadhu irka in the seed la? Can you see any root here? Edavadhu root theriyudha in the seed la? No, you cannot see the root. After 2 days only you can see the root. It comes out like this. And then after 2 days, again if you see, you can see a sapling like this. Okay, and then the leaves emerge out, and finally many leaves and buds come out of the plant. Okay, so these are the stages how the plant grows, and this is called as germination. Okay, children. So today what we are going to do is we are going to write the stages number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that we are going to write. Before that I want you to write today's date. What is today's date? What is date today? Yeah, 1010
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D31 CT.
Okay, ma'am.
1010 and the day is Tuesday, 8 month of August, 2121. Finish? So write the stages. First is seed. So a seed and pour some water to it. And second, number 2, a small sapling comes out. Number 3, 4, you can see the leaves emerging out. And 5, you can see a full plant. So just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that. So what are the things a plant needs to grow? Plant ku enna veno grow agadhukku? What do they want? Air, water, sunlight. Okay, air, water and sunlight. What does the plant need to grow? Now tell me, what does the plant need to grow? What does it need? Enna venu plant ku? Air, water, sunlight. Water, sunlight. Okay. Here you can see, children, water and sunlight is given. Air, this blue color. Can you see that is the sky? Air, water and sunlight. Radyani joined.
Good morning, ma'am.
Why so late, ma?
Ma'am, internet is.
Finish. Yes, very good. Those are finished. Take the next worksheet. Worksheet number is B32LT.
32.
B32LT. B32LT.
இது என்ன வெயிட் பண்ணு இங்க வெச்சு பண்ணு அப்பதான் சரியா வருது இது வெயிட் பண்ணு
Write today's date.
One, 10,
8.
dash 8,
21.
கிட்ட போடணும்
ஒரு தடவை தான் போகணும்.
அந்த மாதிரி கிட்ட மேம் பாரு சின்னதா அழகா போட்டுக்கிறாங்க அந்த மாதிரி போட கத்துக்கணும்
Finish writing the date.
எழுதுங்க எழுதுங்க எழுதுங்க.
Is there anyone still doing the germination worksheet? Okay. Here trace the letters, color the objects that start with the yes.
இரு இரு.
Trace the letters, color the objects that start with the same letter sound. Children, sound. First you have to listen to the sound and then you have to color the object. Okay. First we circulate. First trace the letter I.
சொல்றது கேட்க விடுறியா?
கொஞ்சம்
ஆஃப் பண்ணு ஆஃப் பண்ணு. இரு ஆஃப் பண்ணு தானே.
Again I and J. Okay. After you trace it, I for I sound is E. So what is the picture that is related to E sound? Igloo or cape? Igloo. Very good, Madashwan. Good boy, Dashwan. Igloo. Circle it first. Next is J, 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 J. Mango or J, J, jug. What will you circle? Jug. Very good, Keshav. And next is again I. E sound. E lion or E ink. What will you circle? Lion or ink? Where can you hear the E sound? எங்க E sound கேக்குது? Lion லியா ink லியா? Very good, Vihan. Ink. Children, kindly look at the sound, children. Next is jelly, J sound. Jelly, house. Jelly. Very good. J for jelly. You know that. Jelly. Circle it and then finally color it, children. Color only the circled picture.
play. Gilliam jam, jelly on a play.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Now start coloring. Start coloring. Circle the picture alone. Igloo, jar, ink, jelly. Color fast, children. We have number worksheets to do. Color inside the boundary. Almost 2 months are over, children. Still, you should not color outside the boundary. Try to color inside the boundary. Slowly color it. Finish, anyone? Who finished? Kavi Kartika. What are these, Kavi Kartika?
Finish me.
Very good, Madhuvanti. What are these? Kavi Kartika, இது என்னது இதெல்லாம்? Trees. Mango tree, neem tree, coconut tree. Trees, okay? Next, what are these? What are these?
Rose
Rose Chamberlain. Rose plant, jasmine plant, and hibiscus plant. What are these? Shrubs. What are these? Shrubs. Very good, Keshav. Very good, Tanuswar. Okay. Next, what is this? What is this, children?
What is this?
Yes? What is this? Tulsi. Very good. What is this? Huh? Mint. Okay. What are these called? Mint, tulsi, and salvo. What will we say? Herb. What is the action for herb? Herb. Herb got action in it. Rub your throat. Herb. Okay. What is this? What is this? Watermelon. Very good. What is this? Okay, pumpkin. What are these? These are climbers. Creeper. Very good, Keshav. Creepers. Good. Okay, what is this? Snake god. Very good. What is this? Bodyguard. What are these? What are these? Climbers. What are these? Climbers. Very good. Next. What is this? Kata. Keshav. Kata. No kata and all. Thorn. Okay. Thorn. Thorny plant. Thorny plant. You touch it. Put your finger. Okay. Thorny plants. Okay. Tree. Shrub. Creeper. Climber. And these are thorny plants. Thorny plants, do you remember? To touch a thorny plant, it will prick your finger. Okay. So what is the action that I taught you for thorny plants? What is the action that I taught you? Okay. Now we are going to play a game for these type of plants. Are you all ready? Ready? You have to show me the correct action, children. Okay. First is tree. What is the action for tree which I taught you? Tree. All of you should do the action. Tree. Tree and action. What is the action for tree? Tree. Very good, all of you. Well done. Mahinani. Do the action for tree. Very good. Next, what is the action for? What shall I ask you? Climber. Climber, what action I taught you? Climber. What action? Very good. Climbers will go like this. Okay. And then what shall I ask you? What is the action for creepers? Creepers, how they will grow? Creepers. Creepers எப்படி வளரும்? How they will grow? They'll grow on the ground. They'll spread on the ground and grow. Like this. On the ground. Not like this. If you do like this, it is a climber. Okay. This only is a creeper. Okay. Now the next action is shrub. Shrub or small woody bushy plants, right? Okay, what is the action for shrub? Very good, Mitra, Keshav, Ananya, good. Shrub. Okay. And then what is the action for thorny plant? Thorny plant. Thorny plant or action another. What did I teach you? Thorny plant. What is the action? Yes, if you touch it, it will prick your finger. So that is thorny plants. Okay. Whenever I show you some plants, you have to identify in this way, children, along with the action. Trees, shrubs, creepers, climbers, and then thorny plant. We left out one. What is that? What did we leave? Anyone? Do you remember? What we left? Herbs. Well done. Very good. Herbs we left out. Okay. Okay. Very good, children. Thank you. So next is our math session. I want all of you to stand up. Stand up, all of you. Let's rote count. Ma'am is going to rote count. You are going to jump. Okay, are you all ready? Stand up. I want everyone to do. Nobody should sit. Come on, stand up, all of you. Stand up, ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, what will I get? What will I get after 7? Ma'am forgot. 7? அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? 8. Very good. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14, what will I get? 15. Very good. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So after 22, what will I get after 22? 23. Very good. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now, ma'am is going to count faster, okay? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Very good, all of you. Do you want to drink water? You want to drink water? Come on, go drink water and come back. Be ready with the worksheet D32MT. Drink water and come back, children, fast. And the worksheet number is D32MT. D32MT, number 22 page. Those who have finished drinking water, write today's date 10-8-2121. Keep your water bottle aside. Don't spill water in your worksheet. 10-8-2121. Finish writing today's date. Finish. Okay. How will we count? Count the balloons, trace and write number 2, 2. What is 2, 2? 2, 2. What is that number? 2, 2? 22. Very good. 2, 2, 22. So here you have two group of tens here. 10, 10, 20, 21, 22. Count like this. 10, 20, 21, 22. 2, 2, 22. 2, 2, 22. Complete the full number and move to the next box, children. No one should write 2, 2, 2, 2 like this. It's wrong. Don't follow that way, okay? Complete the full number 2 to 22 and I want you to spell and write. 2 to 22. Yes, ma Keshav? 2 to 22. Spell and write, children. Parents, please tell them to spell and write if they forget also. 2 to 22. What number you are writing, Keshav? 22. Very good. Mitra, what number you are writing?
22.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Mitra, what number you are writing?
2 to 22, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Radhyani, what number you are writing?
2 to 22.
2 to 22. Very good, Radhyani. Good. Sarah, are you writing number 22, Sarah?
I'm just practicing 9, ma'am. So she is yet to write 9 now. So I'm just practicing.
Okay, fine. Dashwan, what number you are writing?
2 to 22.
Good. Mahilini?
மகிழினி என்ன நம்பர் எழுதுறீங்க சொல்லு. சவுண்டா சொல்லுங்க.
2 to
2 to 22. Very good girl, Mahilini. Jason? What number you are writing?
22.
2 to 22. 2 to 22. Ananya, what number you are writing?
சொல்லு ma'am.
2 to 22.
2 to 22. Very good. Hazel, what number you are writing? Hazel? What number is Hazel writing?
2 to 22.
Huh?
2 to 22.
2 to 22. Wow. Good girl. Come on, continue writing. Madhuvanti, finish, ma? Varsha, what number you are writing, Varsha?
2 to
Say louder.
2 to 22.
2 to 22. Okay, good.
Ma'am.
Yes, Keshav.
Which ma'am?
Very good, Keshav. Well done. All of you have finished?
Finish ma'am.
Very good. Well done. Finish it fast, children. There is one more activity. Come on.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, good ma. Be ready. We have to sing birthday song for Hazel, right? Come on. If you finish, close your book. Be ready. Jason, finish.
Wait ma'am. Wait. The what? What ma'am?
Huh?
I want.
Jason, you know whose birthday is today?
யார் பர்த்டே இன்னைக்கு?
You know whose birthday is today?
சில்வியாவா?
Vista.
He's saying Sylvia, ma'am. I don't know who is it.
Today is Hazel's birthday. Okay. Finish all of you.
Birthday.
Yes, Hazel's birthday.
சரி, எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்லுங்க.
Ready?
No, no, yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Finish writing. Still who is writing? Still, who is writing? Everyone finished?
Radhiyani about to finish.
Okay. Finish fast. Close your book.
Me வேக வேகமா எழுத மெதுவா எழுது.
Ready? Is all of you close your book?
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, come on, let's sing the birthday song for Hazel. Happy birthday. Many more happy returns of the day, Hazel. Happy birthday to us. One by one. Very good. Tarneshwar, Keshav, Madhwanti, Isha, everyone is Hazel, happy birthday. Come on, Hazel, say thank you to them. Say thank you to them. Yeah, very good. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. You all have done your worksheets well. So big round of applause for you all.